Your first question is, what is the largest city in Pakistan? A. Lahore. B. Islamabad. C. Karachi. D. Multan. Correct answer. C. Karachi. Your second question is, when was Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah born? 1947. B. 1876. C. 1948. D. 1940. Correct answer. B. 1876. Your third question is, what is the national flower of Pakistan? A. Sunflower. B. Tulip. C. Jasmine. D. Rose. Your fourth question is, where is the headquarters of the United Nations? UNO. A. London. B. Paris. C. New York. D. Geneva. Good answer. C. New York. Your fifth question is, in which year was Pakistan's first constitution made?